Now we're gonna continue with the tail. We are now gonna start with color B. That's this color. And we are gonna make a magic ring. And make 6 single crochet in the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're gonna single crochet around for 4 rounds. Round 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the tail can be a little bit tricky because to crochet in the round of 6 single crochet can be a little bit painful, but it's mainly the first few rounds. Then it's gonna get easier. So I will meet you when I finished my round 3 to 5. I already made round 2. So now we've finished our 5 first rounds, and I'm gonna open this last stitch again because on the last stitch you're gonna make the color change to the color A, the light color we used for the body. So this is our last stitch of last round, and now gonna single crochet around 6. Three, 4, 5, 6. And now I like to pull on the yarn from the beginning to tighten the magic ring, and then I'm gonna cut the old color, and now I have to find the 2 working yarns and make a knot. I make a knot behind the color change, and now I'm gonna stuff all the yarn ends a little bit inside. And now I'm gonna cut them. Don't cut the wrong one. Yeah, I'm left-handed, so it's a little bit difficult. So now I stuff it, and now we've gotten rid of the yarn ends. And now I'm gonna single crochet around until round 16, That's 10 more rounds. I'm gonna crochet around for 10 more rounds from now. Feel free to use a stitch marker. I definitely recommend one for the tail. Three, 4, and I will meet you when I finished my next 10 rounds. So now I finished my 10 rounds and we have a total of 16 rounds, and this is how this cute tail looks like now. And before we are gonna sew it on later, we are gonna close the top of the tail. This can also be a little bit tricky, but we are gonna make 2 stitches by going through both sides. So, like this, and now we have a nice edge to sew the tail on. And when you sew it on, make sure that the color change points like something like to the back, or yeah, not to the front, because we want the pretty side to show to the front. So now we are gonna continue with the ears. They are gonna look like this. Place the bow right. And yes, I will show you how we are gonna make these cute little ears. We have the colors reversed here, as you can see. So the ears are dark. We are gonna start with chaining 2. And now we are gonna go in the second stitch from the hook and start with a single crochet. Then we make a half double crochet in the same stitch. And we're gonna make a double crochet in the same stitch. A half double crochet, half double, and a single crochet, all in the same stitch. Now chain 1, chain 2, now make a half double crochet in the next stitch, and a single crochet in the same stitch. Now we make a slip stitch in the next stitch and a single crochet in the very last stitch. And here's our ear. This is gonna be the front, so not the side you see now, but the other side where we started with. This is gonna be the front. And you can hide the yarn end from the beginning in the ear before you sew it on, okay? Cut the yarn, leave a long enough yarn end, and now we make the second ear, and I will meet you when I finish both of my ears.